Hi, I'm Sherry, and I'm here to talk to you about the wonders of the website studentloanrelief.us. I actually graduated from one of the top universities in the nation, and shortly after graduating, I found that the economy had no jobs in my industry, which was so sad because I worked so hard for so many years through high school just to get to my amazing college. So, I was, indebted to the government for all of these loans, and, my family is actually from Europe, so it was incredibly heartbreaking for me to hear that Europeans get free education. So I was wondering why it was plagued to all these American students. So then a friend told me about studentloanrelief.us, and I listened to Jason Spencer's video on the website, and it just spoke to me because, I was brought up in a really good family, successful parents, and this problem plagued me. So I was able to find a program that really helped me get out of my student loan debt, and Jason really helped me. So thank you so much, studentloanrelief.us.
Studentloanrelief.us really helped me too. I was stricken with just so much debt after getting out of school. I had a job in banking, and I worked my way through college as I worked in banking. And when I lost my job, I went on unemployment, and it was really hard for me to pay my loans back. And I went into default for a few months, and I went into studentloanrelief.us, and they actually helped me get back on my feet through all my defaulted loans, and they're just a really big help. So thank you so much, Jason. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much, studentloanrelief.us.
Thank you.